Hey everyone, welcome to JustAISpace, your brand new destination to explore the creative world of artificial intelligence. Whether it's AI tools, product launches, smart assistants, or crazy new innovations, this is the space where we break it all down simply, clearly, and with a spark of curiosity. If you're passionate about AI or just getting started, you're in the right place. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we've got some amazing content lined up for you. And now let's dive into our very first story. Ola's AI company, Krutrim, has just launched their first agentic AI assistant called Kruti, and it's a lot more than just another chatbot. Kruti is designed to be your virtual personal assistant, helping you book cabs, order lunch, pay bills, even generate images, all within a single conversation. The idea? You don't need to switch apps or dig through settings, just say what you want. Like, I asked Kruti.ai to generate an image of a futuristic Indian smart city, and it instantly visualized building, trains, cars, and green tech in a stunning AI-created image, and Kruti takes care of the rest. Now, I gave Kruti this prompt: make a budget for 50,000 rupees per month, and in seconds, it split my rent, savings, groceries, and more like a smart financial planner. I asked Kruti.ai to write a crime story where AI and a human work together, and it gave me a thrilling tale of digital detectives solving mysteries side by side. I simply typed outline a business plan for launching an AI SaaS tool in India, and Kruti delivered a full roadmap from target market to monetization in seconds. I just asked Kruti.ai, write a Python script that scrapes news headlines, and boom, it gave me working code in 2 seconds. It supports 13 Indian languages, understands accents, works with voice and text, and even improves the more you use it. It's built on Krutrim's upgraded model, V2, optimized for real Indian users, including areas with patchy internet and mixed media inputs like images and voice. But here's the twist. Unlike most AI assistants that focus on emails or work tools, Kruti is built for daily Indian tasks. Ordering food, booking cabs, paying bills. There's a catch though. Right now it only works with Ola's own services, so no Swiggy or Zomato. Only Ola Cabs and Ola Foods for now. That said, Kruti might surprise us in other areas like generating images or deep research. For now, the agentic commerce part feels a bit early stage, but still, it's a promising start. Let's see how it evolves. Please make sure you guys subscribe, turn on notification bell, like this video.